Explorers, Kid Explorer here, and today I'm back with another cooking travel at home experience. And today I'm cooking a Turkish meal. So make sure you stay tuned to the end so you can see how my meal came out and how it tastes to me. And by the way, in this video we'll talk about the ingredients needed, the spices that I have, and you'll see me cook the meal step by step. And also, I am Kid Explorer, and on my channel I talk about all things travel, photography, and sustainability. Now let's get into this cooking experience from the Spicery. First, let's go over the spices that we will use today. First of all, as always, we get a free spice, which is the sumac lemonade blend that I'll put up for later. Then we have the aubergine spices, the lamb spices, the shepherd salad blend spices, Lavash spices, garlic yogurt blend, and sumac blend. And lastly, the tomato chili sauce spices. Now let's head over to the ingredients. So these are all the ingredients that we will need today. We will need 500 grams of lamb or beef mince, which I looked up mince. That means ground meat. And I don't mess with beef or lamb. So I have ground turkey instead, and 500 grams is about 1 pound. 1 aubergine, which is an eggplant, and you'll need that cut into bite-sized pieces. You need 1 red onion, half of it thinly sliced. And I haven't finished this part, but the other part of this needs to be fine, coarsely grated, the other half of the red onion. Then you need 3 cloves of garlic, half a cucumber, finely chopped, 4 tomatoes, finely chopped, 1 pepper, any color, finely chopped, 25 grams of parsley, roughly chopped, my least favorite thing here, 300 grams of ready cooked beetroot that is not in vinegar, cut into small bite-sized pieces. We'll need 2 lemons. We'll need 150 grams of natural yogurt. Full fat is best. I could not find full fat in a smaller size, so we have this, which is non-fat. We'll need 30 grams of breadcrumbs, 35 grams of honey, 60 grams of almonds, hazelnuts or pistachios crushed or ground to a coarse texture. If you want, you can get 50 grams of pitted olives, roughly chopped. That's a no-no for me. Then you need 400 grams tin of tomatoes. You need a half teaspoon of dry yeast. You'll need 200 grams of plain flour plus extra for rolling. We'll also use 90 milliliters of extra virgin olive oil. And if you want, you can have rice to serve, which I won't cook in today's video, but I will be having rice with my meal. And we'll also need some skewers. So I finally bought some bamboo skewers. Now let's get into cooking. First up, we're going to work on the lavash. I don't know how to say that. But you're going to mix 1 teaspoon honey with the yeast and 125 milliliters of warm water, then leave in a warm place for 10 minutes or until it starts to froth. Now we're going to mix the lavash spices and a half teaspoon salt into the flour. On to step 2, we're going to start preparing the Patlican Kebabs. We're going to mix the aubergine with 3 tablespoons oil, the aubergine spices, and a 1/4 teaspoon salt, then leave to one side. On to preparing the garlic yogurt. We're going to mix the juice of a 1/4 of a lemon with the yogurt, the garlic yogurt blend, and a pinch of salt. Then we'll drizzle 1 tablespoon extra virgin olive oil and leave to one side. Now we're back to the lavash. We're going to stir the yeast mixture into the flour with 1 tablespoon oil until a soft dough comes together. You can add a small splash of water if the dough is too dry, or a small amount of flour if the dough is too sticky and difficult to handle. So that's what I'm doing here. It was extremely sticky, so I kept adding flour until it was not sticky anymore. Now we're going to knead on a floured surface for 2 minutes or until smooth. Then cover and leave in a warm place for 45 minutes or until the dough has increased in size. Next up, we're going to prepare the tomato chili sauce. We're going to cook the 10 tomatoes with half of the garlic, 2 tablespoons extra virgin olive oil, 3 tablespoons water, the tomato chili sauce spices, and 1/4 teaspoon salt in a covered pan on low heat for 20 minutes or until it makes a thick, smoothish sauce, mashing it up as it cooks. Leave to one side to cool. All right, we are back at the Patlican Kebabs. So we're going to combine the minced meat with grated onion, remaining garlic, breadcrumbs, lamb spices, and 3/4 teaspoon salt in a food processor for 2 minutes or mix by hand, or until it forms a smoothish, slightly sticky ball. You'll roll into 12 balls, then thread onto 4 skewers, alternating with the pieces of aubergine. As you can see, I did not do that, plus my skewers were not that long. So it was good I missed that step anyway. Leave to one side until ready to cook. Next up, we're going to prepare the beetroot salad. We're going to toast the almonds in a dry pan for 2 minutes, which you see I've already done, or until just starting to turn golden brown, then leave to one side. Then we're going to whisk together the juice of 1 lemon with the remaining 2 tablespoons honey, 2 tablespoons extra virgin olive oil, and a big pinch of salt to make the dressing. We will then mix the beetroot with half of the parsley, the toasted almonds, the olives if you are using any, and the dressing, then leave to one side. So just to note, if you are interested in having rice for this meal, this will be a great time to start cooking the rice. But now we're going to go back to the lavash. I know I keep switching between lavish and lavash. Someone please tell me the correct way to say this word. But anyways, we're going to divide the dough into 4 pieces, then roll into thin circles about 25 centimeters in diameter and 2 millimeters thick, or as thin as you can roll them. You will dry fry each bread in a hot frying pan for 1 to 2 minutes or until the top starts to bubble and puff up. Then flip and cook for 2 minutes or until the bottom begins to brown in patches and all traces of raw flour have disappeared. So no oil in the pan, completely dry frying. After you finish frying the dough, you will wrap in foil or a clean tea towel to keep warm and repeat with the remaining dough. Okay, back to the Patlican Kebabs for the last time. We're gonna grill the kebabs for 15 minutes or until the meat is just cooked through and the aubergine is soft, turning occasionally. And the last step before we taste this meal is to prepare the shepherd's salad. We're gonna mix the thinly sliced onion with the cucumber, fresh tomatoes, pepper, remaining parsley, juice of the remaining 3/4 lemon, remaining 1 tablespoon extra virgin olive oil, the shepherd's salad spices, and a 1/4 teaspoon salt. Okay, so the meal is complete and it's time for the taste test. Just to let you know, this is the Patlican Kebabs with garlic yogurt and lavash. So all the food is here in front of me, ready for the taste test. As I said, I don't mess with beef or lamb. And so I have turkey kebabs here, as you can see. Yes, that looks good. Let's give it a taste. Okay, that's pretty good. So I went to Turkey back in 2019, and these do remind me, I ate a lot of kebabs while I was in Turkey, and the lavash, I didn't know what it was called, but now I know. All right, this one makes me nervous. This is a beetroot salad. I don't like beets, but it is flavored or seasoned with honey and almonds, so let's see. Let's just get a little piece with parsley. Let's see. Okay. It's not my favorite, but it makes the beets taste way more reasonable with almonds, parsley, and honey on it. Okay, here's lavash. This is the biggest one I made, so I'm gonna just take a little piece off of it. Yeah, that's really good. Really good. Can't go wrong with that. Okay, this is the shepherd's salad. It's very colorful, has a lot of different vegetables in it. And that's tasty. That's really good. This is the garlic yogurt. I just don't know how I feel about this. It's okay. It might taste better served with something. And I'm not gonna tip this at all. It's pretty full here, but this is a tomato chili sauce. That's a pretty good sauce. So this is a very tasty meal. Reminds me of Turkey when I went to Istanbul. But now I'm going to show you my plate. How I'm not a plater, I'm not a chef, so it's probably not gonna look that beautiful, but I'm gonna show you my plate and show you me eating the full meal together. Okay, explorers, I really hope you enjoyed cooking this Turkish meal, this Patlican Kebabs with garlic yogurt and lavash. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you hit the like button. Please tell me down below in the comment box how you think I did creating this meal at home in my kitchen and bringing turkey to my kitchen in Atlanta. If you have any questions about the Spicery or my meal, leave that down below in the comment box. Please make sure you like, I think I said that. If you have not already, please make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell. It's free for you to do so, and it helps me provide more better content to you in the future. And if you're already a subscriber, thank you so much. I truly appreciate it. Make sure you share this video with your friends, family, and social media networks. And please make sure you head on over to keytoexplore.darkroom.tech so you can purchase a print to decorate your space. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day or night wherever in the world you are. Bye.